everyone. I've got Lee with us today. And Lee used to do a load of gym back in the day, but had a very serious injury with your back. And since then, you've come back into the gym and started doing some personal training. I guess you've got me along to kind of help you with the return from the back injury.
Yep.
How has that gone for you to come back from what you did and now have to rehab the back?
Yeah, so nasty shock. Had a back injury that I didn't know that I had a problem with my back, and it flared up and took me out for over a year. Lost so much muscle tone and everything else, and yeah, came and saw Sean, and he has a rehab program, put me on that. And at the start I struggled because obviously by then quite unfit, struggled with not having the strength to do things, which made me feel a bit helpless. But bit by bit I've made great leaps and bounds and feel very positive towards my training.
That's great, Lee, to get that insight. So you were training heaps back in the past.
Yep.
And going pretty hard at it. So it would have been a big shock to kind of re-enter the gym.
Yep.
The way that you had to restart.
Yeah.
How did that affect you?
Mentally, really terribly. Like, I got very depressed because physical activity was my way out of, well, pretty much anything. It was my happiness. It was my, it could take out any negative feelings or whatever. But learning to go slow, learning that I could only do what I could actually do was a big lesson for me in humility. And now I've realised it's actually the only way to go, because I really didn't want to hurt myself again and end up not being able to train at all, and didn't want to see a future where I had a permanent injury that I couldn't even go for walks or do anything like that. So
okay, so that was great. The last one I've got for you is basically the previous client left us with, what muscle group would you change overnight if you could? Why?
Okay, so it would be my glutes. Because of my back injury, I think that that's been the bit that I've struggled the most. When all my nerves were damaged, I lost all feeling in my back of my legs and my glutes, and determined to rebuild them so it supports my whole everything, my posterior chain, if you will.
Well, that's great. You've been wonderful today,
Yeah.
Lee. You're going to leave the next person with a question yourself. So what are you going to leave them?
So my question is, what part about training will improve your everyday life? What is it about it that you're wanting to enhance outside life?
Awesome question, very unique. Thanks for having us, everyone. See you next time. Thanks, Lee.